Did you know that vultures are nature's garbage disposal, thriving in environments ranging from deserts and savannas to forests and mountains? These scavengers play a vital role in ecosystems by feeding on dead animals, preventing the spread of disease. With their incredible eyesight and keen sense of smell, some species can detect a carcass from over a mile away. What's more fascinating is their stomach acid is one of the most corrosive in the animal kingdom. It allows them to digest bacteria and toxins that would be deadly to other animals. And while their bald heads might seem odd, without feathers to trap bacteria or bits of rotting meat, vultures reduce the risk of infection. This simple but effective feature allows them to thrive in some of the dirtiest environments nature has to offer.